Hello there. Welcome to our channel Craft and Curve. Today we will show you a collection of sew. Watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Wall painting is one of the most effective and transformative ways to elevate the aesthetic of a space. It can breathe new life into a room, create focal points, and serve as a form of artistic expression. Whether you are considering a simple refresh or an elaborate mural, the possibilities for wall painting ideas are virtually limitless. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can turn any wall into a unique canvas that reflects your style and personality. One popular wall painting idea is to use color accents to create visual interest. This involves selecting one or two walls in a room to paint a bold or contrasting color while keeping the others neutral. This technique is especially effective in smaller rooms, where a dark or rich hue can create a cozy atmosphere without overwhelming the space. For example, painting an accent wall in deep navy or emerald green can introduce a sense of drama, especially when paired with lighter or warmer furnishings. Another idea is the use of geometric patterns. Geometric designs add a contemporary flair to interiors and can be achieved with painter's tape and a steady hand. From simple triangles and lines to intricate chevrons or hexagons, geometric patterns can be customized according to your taste and the architecture of the space. By utilizing various shades of the same color, you can create depth and dimension without overwhelming the senses. For those who are feeling adventurous, a mural can turn an ordinary wall into a vibrant work of art. Murals can depict landscapes, whimsical scenes, or abstract designs that resonate with your personality and interests. Hiring a professional artist can be a great investment for a high-impact mural, but skilled DIYers can also create stunning murals by following tutorials or using stencils. This approach not only personalizes your space, but can also become a focal point for conversation and admiration among guests. Ombre techniques are another increasingly popular choice for wall painting, where the color gradually transitions from one hue to another. This soft and visually appealing effect can add warmth and character to a room. It works particularly well in bedrooms or living spaces, where a gentle fade can create a calming atmosphere. An ombre wall can start with a deep, rich color at the bottom and fade into a lighter shade towards the top, mimicking the effect of natural light. Textured painting techniques can also introduce depth to your walls. Sponges, brushes, or even fingers can be used to apply paint in a way that creates texture. Techniques like rag rolling or stippling can add an artistic flair and make the walls appear more dynamic. Textured walls can complement more traditional or rustic decor styles, providing a tactile element that brings warmth to the space. Incorporating wall decals or stencils is another excellent way to elevate your wall art without the commitment of full painting. Decals can be easily applied and removed, making them a flexible option for those who like to change their decor frequently. There are countless designs available, from botanical elements to inspirational quotes. Stencils allow you to achieve a painted look with much less mess and effort, enabling intricate patterns or images to embellish your walls easily. When considering wall painting ideas, it is essential to think about the mood and atmosphere you wish to create. Colors evoke emotions, and understanding color psychology can significantly enhance your choices. For instance, cool tones like blues and greens create a tranquil environment, making them ideal for bedrooms or bathrooms. In contrast, warmer tones like yellows and oranges can create an energetic and lively space, perfect for kitchens or playrooms. By carefully selecting your color palette based on the desired ambience, you can significantly impact how the room feels. The concept of painting the ceiling is another innovative approach that can make a room feel more expansive and unique. A lightly painted ceiling that complements the walls or a boldly painted ceiling can create an unexpected yet delightful surprise. Soft pastels can evoke a sense of calm, while striking patterns can create a whimsical feel. Vibrant ceilings may lead to optical illusions that draw the eye upward, making the space feel larger. Another effective way to use wall painting is to create a gallery wall. This involves painting a portion of the wall with a solid color or adding a patterned background, and then arranging framed artwork, photographs, or mirrors in a visually appealing manner. You can use tape to create structured frames on the wall itself, filling them with different artwork, creating a cohesive look that draws the eye. A gallery wall is excellent for personal expression, showcasing sentimental items or carefully curated art that holds meaning for you. Additionally, a chalkboard wall is a creative way to add functionality and fun to your space. Perfect for kitchens, children's rooms, or home offices, a painted chalkboard surface allows for doodling, note-taking, and creative expression. This idea is not only visually interesting, but also a practical tool for organization or brainstorming, encouraging moments of creativity and spontaneity. For a more refined approach, consider creating a wainscoting effect using paint. This classic style involves painting the lower section of the wall in a darker or complementary color, giving the space a sophisticated touch. Pairing this technique with traditional or contemporary decor can elevate the overall look of your room. The added texture and dimension create a layered effect that enhances the design, offering an elegant yet contemporary aesthetic. Using paints with special finishes is another clever idea to consider. Glossy or metallic paints can produce stunning results, reflecting light and adding a sense of glamour to the room. Experimenting with finishes can change the perceived size and mood of your space. Additionally, pearl or satin finishes can add a touch of luxury without being overly dramatic. Think about accentuating architectural features with creative wall painting ideas. For instance, highlighting moldings, baseboards, or door frames can be an excellent way to draw attention to these design elements. You can paint these features in contrasting colors to create visual interest, or use a shade that complements the overall color scheme while adding depth. Another effective technique involves creating a border or framed effect around doors, windows, or artwork, giving a polished look to the room. This can be achieved using painter's tape to ensure clean lines and crisp edges. This simple technique can dramatically impact how a room feels, helping to define spaces within an open floor plan or adding sophistication to traditionally styled rooms. In more playful spaces, such as children's rooms, incorporating fun elements like cartoon characters or whimsical themes can ignite imagination and creativity. Using stencils or murals for these themes can create environments where children feel inspired and at ease. The colors and designs can evolve as the child grows, offering adaptability in decor choices. As technology evolves, wall painting techniques are influenced by digital tools that allow for precision when applying paint. Projection mapping allows homeowners to visualize how different colors and patterns will look on the walls before committing to a color. This modern technique ensures that decisions are made with confidence, reducing the chances of dissatisfaction after completion. Finally, embracing seasonal changes is an innovative idea for wall painting. You can easily refresh the space by repainting with different colors or themes to reflect the changing seasons, ensuring the home feels dynamic and adaptable throughout the year. This practice allows for personal expression and the opportunity to embrace varying styles and trends as they arise. In summary, the possibilities for wall painting ideas are endless, with countless ways to express individual creativity and style. From selecting thoughtful color palettes and employing various techniques to incorporating personal artwork and seasonal themes, wall painting offers the opportunity to transform spaces into visual storytelling canvases. By considering the mood, function, and aesthetic you wish to create, you can make informed decisions that will breathe life into your walls, making them focal points and true expressions of who you are. Whether you choose a bold design or prefer subtle elegance, wall painting can significantly enhance the character and beauty of any space. Your walls can become a vibrant reflection of your personality and creative spirit, adding warmth and character to your home for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.